How to connect Kamia GarageCam to Alexa. Make sure you have both the Kamia and Alexa app installed and account logged in prior to the setup. Open Kamia app. Click the tab of My Account. Choose Works with Kamia. Then select Amazon Alexa. Click Link My Account. Then it will jump over to Alexa app automatically. Click Link to link your Kamia account with your Alexa account. Once account linked, garage door status checking by voice functions are ready to use now. Continue to set up the garage door opener control. Open Alexa app. Click the tab Devices. Click All Devices. Select the GarageCam device you set up in your garage and link to the garage door openers. It is required by Amazon that you set a voice code before you can control the garage door by voice. Just follow the on-screen prompt to finish the code settings. You are now ready to go. Enjoy the full voice control function with Alexa.